23 of Vocab. This is day 4. We were introduced to 3 words yesterday. They are, right here at the top of the screen, ensure, equitable, and then that antonym, inequitable. We know that this means, equitable means treated fairly or equally. This means not treated fairly, not treated equally. Ensure means to make sure that something happens. So take a look at this first question here. Which of yesterday's words might you use when you talk with your family and friends? And how might you use the word? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Excellent. Let's take a look at this example. If you wanted to ensure that you were thoroughly prepared to run in a race, what would you do? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk, but go ahead and use this sentence frame right here. To ensure I was thoroughly prepared, I would... Excellent. Let's look at another example. This one's interesting because I see a vocabulary word that we had quite a while back. So the question is, would you react indignantly if someone treated you in an equitable way? So 2 things here. Equitable means in a fair or equal way. So would you react indignantly if someone treated you in an equitable way? So I want you to think back. Do you remember what indignantly means? Okay. Indignantly means that you're going to act kind of in an angry way. Like you're annoyed, you're angry, you're upset. Would you react that way if someone treated you in an equitable way? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Right, I think we can all agree that indignantly and equitable don't necessarily go together in that sentence, because if someone's treating you in an equitable way, then you would probably not react indignantly, because to be treated equitably means that you're being treated fairly. Let's look at the last example. Would you feel glum if someone treated you in an inequitable way? Again, this is a word from a previous week. Hopefully you remember what the meaning of the word glum is. All right, so knowing that glum means you're feeling kind of sad, almost even like dejected, would it make sense then that you would feel that way if you were being treated in an inequitable way? Absolutely. If you were being treated inequitably or unfairly, then you would be glum, because that might hurt your feelings or make you just feel kind of sad because you want to be treated just like everyone else. That wraps up day 4. Tomorrow, we're going to come back and review some words in day 5. Great job today.